Hi, in this video I want to show you how to install Gcam on your Android smartphone. Gcam is the best camera app on your Android smartphone because it has HDR plus, higher resolution, video stabilization and more settings. And now I show you how to install Gcam almost on any Android smartphone. Let's see. To install Gcam on your Android smartphone, first go to settings of your smartphone and find out model name of your phone and Android version. Then open the browser and enter the name of the site as I do. Celso Azevedo is the site that we need. Then go to links and find your name of phone. In my case it's Realme X3 Super Zoom. I don't have my model. If you do, just choose your model. If you not, go to main page and find suggested versions and choose version for your Android. Download any of this suggested version and wait while downloading will be done. I already download this application. Do not waste your time. Just click here and install this application. Then launch Gcam and allow all permissions. And now you can use Gcam on your Android smartphone. There is a lot of settings. Take time and set phone camera. There is a lot of settings. For some models of Android smartphones, there are special configs that allow you to further improve the settings of the Gcam camera. Click Configs to select and download a config specially for your phone. There is no specific config for my phone, so I will download some from other models just to show you how to install them and how they work and how to uninstall them. Then go to File Manager and create a folder Gcam in the root folder. In the Gcam folder, create another folder and call it configs8. Copy or move the configs from the download folder to the folder we just created. Now we open Gcam application, and in order to apply our configs, we just double tap here in this place. Here we can choose all our configs that we downloaded. The best result will be if you choose a config specially for your model. However, most often the Gcam camera works fine without any downloaded additional configs. To reset all settings of Gcam, press More Settings and in the bottom choose this and OK. And now we have Gcam as it will be installed. Thank you for watching this video. If video was useful, please press like button, subscribe to the channel and leave any comment below. Thank you, bye.